Avoid making a mess with silicone caulking by preparing a clear boundary and moving deliberately through each step. Start by choosing the right silicone for the surface and a nozzle size that matches the gap. Cut the tip at a shallow angle to create a bead slightly narrower than the gap to avoid excess squeeze. Apply painter tape along both sides of the joint, leaving a consistent channel so you can focus on steady pressure rather than perfection. Hold the caulk gun at a 45-degree angle and squeeze the trigger with the same rhythm while moving the gun with your dominant hand and guiding the nozzle with the other so the bead is continuous. Tool the bead immediately with a caulk finishing tool or a wetted finger wrapped in a single-use glove to smooth and compress the sealant into the joint and remove the film that prevents adhesion. Wipe away excess with a lint-free rag dampened with isopropyl alcohol for silicone-safe cleanup before it skins over, and change gloves as soon as you collect residue to avoid smearing. Allow the manufacturer recommended cure time before exposing the joint to water or paint, and ventilate the area to speed solvent evaporation for a cleaner finish. Common mistakes include cutting the nozzle too large, which forces too much material and creates blobs that are hard to remove. So recut the tips smaller and test on scrap to dial in the bead size. A second frequent issue is not using tape boundaries, which leads to uneven edges. So apply low-tack painter tape and remove it within 5 to 10 minutes after tooling to keep crisp lines. Third, people wait too long to tool or try to clean cured silicone, which tears and smears. Always tool while the sealant is still tacky and clean tools, and fingers continuously with alcohol or a silicone remover designed for fresh sealant. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse project examples so we can match needs to experience. We also help contractors find work through our listings, and we host an active discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and post real-world results.